يا أيها المرسلون اصبروا على طريق النور فإن القدوم قريبا. سنكشف ما خفي في السماوات والأرض، والأرواح ستبعث من التراب. نار العهد وصوت النبوة قد قاع الجبال. Centum, Viginti, Quattuor, Milia, Prophetarum. In silence io celi votem Dei portamus, et signum in fronte nostra lucet sicut sol. They marched in silence through deserts of flame, robed in shadows, eyes glowing with unnamed names. Dust fell like judgment from skies torn apart, each footstep echoing ancient divine art. Voices of heaven descend through the breach, echoes of prophets beyond mortal reach. A seal on the soul, a brand from the throne. They are the whispers the stars have long known. Scribes of apocalypse, bearers of code, carved into skin with the blood that they owed. Chained to the truth, yet free in the flame. They burn with the glory that none can reclaim. Lux Centum, portamus in nocte, veritas verum, et pax in sanguine. سنمشي في الضوء والنار، نحمي كلمة كالأسحار، نكشف الغيب بصمت المقدسين. نحن النبيون من قبس السنين. The scrolls unfold, the heavens ignite. What 2,000 stand bathed in the light. Yet not all are angels, some born from sin, guardians of dark with fire within. Blood moons rise as the symbols align, from Eden's fall to the end of time. Temples of bone and altars of breath, they chant revelation in tongues of death. Vocem Dei inventis audimus sanguis testis ignis fidus, fiat voluntas tua in terra et in inferno. نسجد على التراب نرفع الروح فوق الليل، من دم المرافق نصعد بكلمة الرب. لا نخاف الهلاك فقد كتب لنا النور. Hearts of stone turn flesh again, by flame, by oath, by sacred pain. In non veritatis et sanguine prophetarum, the end is the beginning, and the silence speaks his name.